good cookout always starts with a great steak. Now this is how I pick my steaks. First of all, you gotta go to the fresh part of the steak. Now, steaks don't have to be costly on a budget. You just gotta know what you want to look for. What I like to go for, if I just want to do a good solid grilling steak, is the tri-tip. Several ways you can do a tri-tip. But what makes a tri-tip great is that it's a relatively thick cut of meat, which is good for the grill, so you don't want something too thick so you get burnt up too quickly. But it has a lot of marbling, but the price is very good. So for these two steaks here, it's $8.99 a pound, so $8.90 here for two solid steaks that are going to be delicious on the grill compared to a ribeye here for 14 bucks a pound. So pound for pound, price-wise, this is delicious. The other great thing about a tri-tip, you can buy them big like this and do a slow roast and have steak for all day. All right, let's go get some chicken. Okay, looking at our chicken here, there's a couple options. One, you can get chicken breasts. They're great to grill, but these take time. You have to marinate them, and they can dry out quickly. What I like to go towards is the chicken thigh. First of all, it's cheaper. Chicken breast. You have all this delicious skin and fat that makes it even more delicious. And it's not relatively that unhealthy compared to chicken. So go for flavor if you're grilling because, hey man, it's supposed to be fun, right?